Hi, my name is Sam Morgan, and this is going to be a short series of videos where I show you how to solve an advanced algorithm on FreeCodeCamp. That is freecodecamp.org, as you can see in the address bar right here. So from the home page, there's a couple things you can do. You can get started, not to mention it's free, which is great. But I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to continue with Google. If you're having any trouble getting to this page, and if you don't see this page once you create your account or sign in, you can go to freecodecamp.org/learn. Just to prove that that works, I'll cut that, paste that in, and as you can see, we go to the exact same page here. I'm going to scroll down until I see coding interview prep. I'm going to click on that. And inside of algorithms, I'm going to click on this first option right here, find the symmetric difference. I already have a working solution to this problem. You can see if I run all the tests, they all pass. Now I'm going to go ahead and close that, and for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be starting from scratch, so I'm going to reset all of my code. So let's go ahead and kick things off by reading the description for the problem. The mathematical term symmetric difference of two sets is the set of elements which are in either of the two sets but not in both. For example, the symmetric difference of set A and B here is 1 and 4. Let's walk through and see how we arrive at that conclusion. You can see 1 is exclusive to set A. It is nowhere to be found in set B. So we push that onto the symmetric difference right here. 2, however, is found in both sets, so we leave that alone. Same thing with 3. It is found in sets A and B. 4 is exclusive to set B, so we push that onto the symmetric difference and we get the result 1 and 4. Now that's all well and good, but what if we want to get the symmetric difference of, say, three sets instead of 2? Well, as they say here, symmetric difference is a binary operation, so it can only operate on 2 sets of elements at a time. So in order to get the symmetric difference of 3 sets, we would first need to calculate the symmetric difference of sets A and B, and then get the symmetric difference of the result of A and B and C. Now I know that concept might be a little bit tricky to comprehend, so I've included a slide here. It should clear things up quite a bit. Please pause the video and take a look at that if you're confused. Now, with that out of the way, we can go ahead and talk a little bit about the technique we're going to be using to solve this problem. We're going to be using something called a frequency counter pattern. That is something I picked up while taking Colt Steele's Algorithms and Data Structures Masterclass on Udemy. I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to take their coding interview skills or their general JavaScript programming skills to the next level. With that mentioned, there's one more thing I wanted to point out. If you go down to this Get Help section here and go to Get a Hint, you will see other solutions to solving this algorithm, and you might notice that the solution we're going to be implementing might not be the shortest in terms of lines of code, but the technique is incredibly useful, and you might be able to apply it in your next technical interview or perhaps personal or professional project. Alright, that was just a little introductory video to get up and running with FreeCodeCamp. I will see you in the next video where we start writing code.